Oh my goodness, SLP condition is very critical now, and if you miss this video, if you skip this video, then I think you will never understand and you will very badly fails down. So try to understand, my friend. I am going to authenticate this coin. I am going to share my personal experience and also share some secret information of SLP coin for all of you now. So therefore this video is just only very short for all of you, but please holders, you will need to watch the 1 second of this video because this is very important. My friends, I am going first of all to share the latest update of SLP coin for all of you now. So my friends, the SLP update, as you can see my friend on the screen, and very bad. As you can see here, this is a reality of SLP. You can see here in last 1 hour, last 1 day and last 7 days, the prices completely falls down. So my friends, there is a chance to upcoming time SLP will give you a profit 100%. My friend, there is a chance to SLP will give you a profit because my brother, absolutely, it's everybody knows this too. After fails, every coin will pumps up. So therefore SLP is one of my favorite coin. As you can see here my friend, I will give you a star this coin. So therefore that's mean my friends, this is my favorite coin and I personally invest now in SLP. So therefore absolutely, if the price will fails down this time, I don't care my friend. I don't care if they will fails down or they will move upward because I invest for a long time. So therefore I'm 100% sure my friends, during the last 10 days of this month they will recover all the loss and they will give me a profit. But if you are a short time investor, then remember my friends, you will also need to hold on for a very long time. Otherwise, if you starting selling in this time, so the price is gone very cheap now, and absolutely they will never give you a profit. They will very badly fails down. So therefore my personal experience for all of you to please hold down, don't start selling. I hope my friends to SLP will give you a profit. Let's see my friends, you can see this time the chart result is also my friends clearly tell you in upcoming time my friends they will wake up, because everybody knows this my friends, to every coin will move in this circulation, to after a pump every coin will dump, and after a pump every coin will dump. So I hope my friends in upcoming time they will take a very huge pump. So thanks for watching SLP coin holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.